However, it is possible in Visuali to have multiple inputs for the AI. And the way that this works is in the edit function, you can press this button right here. And then you get to select multiple inputs. And if you press this button, you can see that we have another of these camera views of the inputs to the AI. And then we can add up to 5 of them. This number will probably increase in the future. However, right now it's set to 5. So to give an example of how this can be used, we're going to start by uploading a couple of images. So the first image we're going to upload is the logo of Visuali itself. And the second image is this image of a car right here. Now, let's just place this onto the canvas so we can start doing our editing. So now we have 2 images. And what I want to do is I want to take the Visuali logo and I want to add it to the car. And right now we only have this input square, but we're going to add another input square right here. And we're going to take that and we're going to make it take this input, this image as an input. So you have to resize it to be the same size. To do this, we got to move the move tool or the outline using the move tool to the top left of the image here, and then we can drag the resize slider to simply cover the entire image. And now we have 2 inputs to the edit function. Then we're going to write as a prompt. Put the logo on the side of the car. This and that. We'll do a couple more variations. And let's see what we get back here. There we go. We got the image back, and now the logo has been added to the car. Yeah, all of the images look pretty similar. So let's keep this one. And now what we can do is, for example, we can take this image of the car. We're going to add another input. We're going to move this next to the surfer here. Do this on the right side here. And now we got both the image and the image of the car set as inputs to the AI. And we're going to write, add the car to the right in the image of the beach. Add a road that the car is parked on. And we set them out to 2, and they're going to generate the edits. And let's see what happens. By the way, your uploaded images always show up at the top right here. And to hide them, you can press this button. And it will hide the images that you've uploaded. All right, there we go. We have our image back here. Oh, we're just going to put it here. And as you can see, now we got our car on a road to the right here. And really, the possibilities are endless from here. okay, and continue working on this image, extending it, and really creating anything.